on, guys? Back here with another Tesla Model 3 upgrade video. Today I'm going to be installing some custom door handle wraps from Test Bros. I've got just the regular matte black wraps, but I've also got a custom wrap that they were able to do for me in this hexagon honeycomb type pattern. So I'm probably only going to do these on the driver's side, but we're going to do these a regular matte black one first and just see how that turns out. This is another vinyl wrap, so I know I struggle with those sometimes.
Oh.
So this should be interesting. I'm probably going to start with the back side of the car and just try it out. Luckily they gave me like 8 of these, so if I mess it up then I could definitely just start over. So let's go ahead and get started. So in the package here we've got a bunch of these door handle wraps, but we've also got some of these alcohol wipes, these cleaning wipes. So we're going to just wipe the handle down first and then move on to the wrap from there. You can ignore the bird poop back here. I am washing my car tomorrow before I get any crap in the comments about it. We want to get the whole, I actually got, so they have 2 different kinds. You can get either the full wrap or just the front wrap. I opted for the full wrap because I think it looks a little bit nicer. Okay, so we've got that wiped off now. I just need to find which one this is. It's like it's that one right there. Yep. Okay. So as you can see, this part kind of lines up right there, and then the rest of the handle wraps the rest of the way right there. They've also included a little squeegee as well. This little guy, so that I can kind of get in the corners. So the way they said that you probably want to do this is just peel off one side and line that side up, and then kind of push it on, and then I'll just pull the handle out and wrap the rest of it on there. So you know how much I like vinyl wrap if you watched my center console video. I'm not very skilled with it, but I think the finished product looks really nice. So, okay. Okay, so I did a really crappy job on this first one, but I think I'm going to go on to the next one and see if I can do that one a little bit better. I think I screwed up because this part wasn't lined up straight when I put that on, so it just doesn't look very professional. So we're going to move on to the next handle. I think if I put a better install on there, it would look a lot better though. So I rewatched the Tesla Bros video of how to install these, and I think I got a better idea of how to do it now. I think what their video said is you need to line up the whole door handle before you do this, not just the one side like I did. So we're going to go to wipe this down and try to get this one installed a little bit cleaner than the other one, and then move on to the other side. What they're saying is to use this bottom arrow as a guide, so this left side lines up just about perfectly. Okay, on that side. Okay, so let's press all this in. Okay, so then I'm going to pull it out here. And I said to do the bottom first and just push this. Peel this off. Press out the rest of the door handle. So then do this bottom part. Okay, then do the top here. And we'll just put this last little piece here. Cover up this part. Okay, this one turned out much better. All right, that one looks much nicer. Oh no. Well, I ripped that one. Yeah, that part you definitely have to be careful about, because that's where the that's where it wraps around the door handle. So might be able to salvage that actually. All right, I actually salvaged that pretty well. Okay, I think I fixed that pretty well. Show you what kind of happened. So if we pop the door back open, you can see part of it kind of ripped right there. But I was able to kind of push it back together and turn out pretty well. So, all right, so that's how it's looking right now. Doesn't look too bad. I'm gonna give the driver's side a go with this honeycomb and see how that turns out next. Okay, so I already got it wiped off, but here is the final door piece that I want to install here. And the reason I chose this pattern is it's actually the same as my phone. So when this is installed, I think this will look really cool. This honeycomb kind of pattern. Oh. A good thing about these textured finishes is they're a lot more forgiving if you have creases and stuff. There's a tiny little spot I missed there, but this actually turned out really well. And I think there's a tiny little bubble there, but other than that, alright, that looks pretty cool. And it matches the phone. There we go. What do you think? Yay, nay? Alright, so let's take a look at the finished product on some of these. This one was my first one I did. As you can see, kind of around the corners there. Maybe, if it'll focus. See, I kind of messed up on some of that corner piece there. So the corners there are definitely the toughest part. One thing they did suggest is getting a hair dryer out after you're done here, and that can kind of help smooth out the corners a little bit, which is something I'm probably going to do. So here's handle number 2. This one, you can see I already improved, but still some issues on the end there. But this whole left side here looks awesome. Like, I think I did a good job on that one. If we move around to my number 3, this one looks pretty good too. This was the one I messed up and ripped the, you can see this little seam right there. I actually ripped the vinyl, taking the sticker off, which is never good. And here's the final one. This is that honeycomb pattern. I think this turned out really well. Only thing I've noticed is there's a couple little tiny bubbles there. And I think there's another one. Yeah, there's another one like right on top here. Small little bubble right in that area. I really love the look of this honeycomb pattern. I think it looks really nice. Alright, so we got all the door handle wraps complete. Wasn't completely happy with some of the installs I did, but those were all my fault. I think personally the material and all that stuff looks really good. This is the matte black. I might end up switching to like a satin black, so I think that kind of blends with the car a little bit better, but let me know what you think down in the comments. Also, let me know what you think of this custom hexagon door wrap. I thought it looked pretty cool and kind of makes it pop out a little bit from the other door handles. Versus just doing them all the same, because that's boring. So thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this install and want to see more Model 3 upgrades and more Model 3 videos, definitely hit that subscribe button and like this video if you want to see more like it. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.